Welcome back to Daily Drives, the place where future machines, extreme builds, and unbelievable vehicle concepts come together. If you love powerful engineering, rare custom builds, and machines that look like they came straight out of a sci-fi movie, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into something truly unexpected and jaw-dropping, the Fordson Major Tracked Concept, a custom-built beast reimagined for 2026. This is not just a tractor upgrade. This is a full transformation that blends heritage, modern engineering, and raw industrial power. The Fordson Major is already a legendary name, known for its toughness and reliability back in the day. But this tracked concept takes that legacy and pushes it into a whole new era. Instead of traditional wheels, this custom build rides on heavy-duty tracks, instantly giving it an aggressive, tank-like stance. The moment you see it, you realize this machine was designed to dominate terrain that would stop normal tractors in their tracks. Mud, snow, sand, rocky fields, nothing feels off-limits anymore. What makes this 2026 concept so fascinating is how it respects the original Fordson Major identity while completely reinventing its purpose. The classic silhouette is still there, but now it's combined with reinforced armor-style body panels, widened proportions, and an ultra-low center of gravity. This isn't about farming the old way. It's about extreme capability and modern utility. The track system provides unmatched traction, stability, and weight distribution, making this machine feel more like a hybrid between a tractor, a crawler, and an industrial exploration vehicle. Under the hood, this custom build is rumored to feature a heavily upgraded diesel power plant, possibly paired with hybrid assistance for improved torque and efficiency. Instead of chasing top speed, the focus here is pure pulling power. Massive torque at low RPM allows this tracked Fordson to haul heavy loads, climb steep inclines, and operate in conditions where wheeled machines simply fail. The drivetrain is reinforced to handle extreme stress, ensuring durability even in the harshest working environments. The tracks themselves are a work of art, designed with modern, composite materials and steel reinforcement. They reduce ground pressure while maximizing grip. This means less damage to soil and better performance on soft ground. For forestry work, construction sites, military-style logistics, or extreme off-road utility, this setup makes absolute sense. It's a reminder that sometimes old ideas, like tracked movement, become revolutionary again when paired with modern tech. Inside the cab, the 2026 Fordson Major Tracked Concept feels surprisingly advanced. Instead of a bare, utilitarian interior, this build features a digital instrument cluster, multi-function control displays, and ergonomic seating designed for long working hours. Climate control, vibration damping, and sound insulation turn this once rugged tractor experience into something far more refined. It's still tough, but now it's smart and comfortable too. Another standout element is the modular design philosophy. This concept allows different attachments and rear modules to be fitted depending on the job. From heavy plows and winches to cargo platforms and specialized equipment, the tracked Fordson becomes a multi-role machine. This flexibility is what truly defines it as a 2026 concept. One machine. Endless possibilities. Visually, the Fordson Major Tracked Concept looks intimidating. Matte industrial paint, exposed mechanical components, LED work lighting, and reinforced bumpers give it a futuristic yet brutally functional appearance. It doesn't try to be flashy. Instead, it looks purposeful, like a machine built to survive anything. This is the kind of vehicle that would feel perfectly at home in remote Arctic zones, disaster recovery missions, or massive construction projects. What makes this custom build so exciting is the message it sends. It proves that classic machines don't have to fade into history. With creativity, engineering skill, and modern technology, even a decades-old name like Fordson Major can be reborn into something truly extraordinary. This tracked concept isn't just about nostalgia, it's about evolution. As we move toward 2026, builds like this show us a future where utility vehicles become more specialized, more capable, and more adaptable than ever before. The Fordson Major Tracked Concept stands as a symbol of raw power meeting modern innovation, and honestly, It's one of the most unique custom builds we've seen in a long time. If you enjoyed this deep dive into an extreme machine reborn for the future, make sure to support Daily Drives by hitting that like button, sharing this video, and subscribing to the channel for more futuristic vehicles, insane custom builds, and next-level machines. Let us know in the comments what you think about this tracked Fordson concept. Would you use it, and where would you take it? Thanks for watching, stay curious, and we'll see you in the next Daily Drives video.